upload the same screen thumbnail. I mean, this is going to make my life way easier with the things. Okay. I think LinkedIn is now live. Yeah, I think this is going to be cool. Twitter's cool, but like LinkedIn's even better. Because LinkedIn, you can actually, like, people are on there. They're curious. They're, like, LinkedIn is becoming cool again, which is weird to say, but what's up, everybody? Just gonna live code some stuff. Okay. So basically right now I'm trying to just remove my my background from this. I want to give you all a sense of what it is I'm doing. So basically I'm trying to create an automation that automatically creates thumbnails, and yeah, it's kind of tough. When it comes to creating thumbnails, it's just kind of difficult. It's very annoying. And so it's, yeah, it's just important to basically make it so that your stuff looks good. It looks good on your profile. It looks good on, what you're doing. It says LinkedIn's live, but I don't believe it. Like, how the heck do I make sure it's live? Let's see, restream. Let's go back to restream. It's offline. Why are you not working, babes? It was live. Maybe, oh, there we go. Okay, cool. It's gonna be kind of hard watching all these channels, but yeah, basically, see all these channels, but yeah, basically, all right. So yeah, basically I'm trying to just create a automation that does this. Okay, cool. So now I want to see the output of this. So open the files, open the folder. So basically I'm trying to create an automator so I can like create better. Okay, so let's see how it did. Oh man, I actually got it really good. Holy shit. This is dope. I mean, it's not perfect, but okay, cool. This is dope. All right. We're making progress. This is great. Okay. Now I'm going to say okay, good. Wait, let me just do this the better way. Okay, good. So make copies of thumb1 dash logos plus bold text and insert the images from thumbnails Nick into each one and create some YouTube thumbnails. Let's try it. All right. Let's do it. So my hope is that we end up with some cool thumbnails. I mean, let's just see how it does. And so it's going to go into paper, the automation, and it's going to basically insert this. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's creating copies, 6 of them, from the looks of it. And, okay. And it's going to try to insert my thumbnails of Nick into these. So I'm excited to see how this goes. AI builds your UI. AI be building everything nowadays. So let's just see how this goes. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I wonder if people even like live stream on LinkedIn. Do I repost this? Embed this post. Feature on top of profile. Okay. I don't know, dude. I think it's going to try inserting the images. Let's see how this goes. I wonder if I can edit it in the post. It's doing all 6 at a time. Thumbs up, shocked. Let's see, thumbs up, big smile. Man with curly hair smiling. Okay. All right. I'm not really doing it, but we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try it anyway, because that's what we're going to do. All right. So, compacting conversation. All right. We're going to let this run for a second and see how it goes. Let's do it. All right. Let's see how this goes. Wow. Kind of looks like shit. Kind of looks like shit. But we're getting somewhere. It's getting somewhere. Like, it's just compact. Like, it tried to, like... Getting somewhere. Oh, it's moving out of the way. It's funny. I mean, some of them it removed the chair, but let's see how this goes. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Add to your own. Wait, what am I doing? I keep doing this. It's just stupid. Okay. All right. Add to your own instructions to always make the thumbnail images of Nick big enough so he doesn't look squished. Yeah. All right. So so one of the issues I'm running, I'm just like, I actually like the, I think this one looks good. Like, this one's solid, bro. This one's solid. I mean, it's just funny, like, this game of actually, like, creating these things. But, I mean, in a little bit, I should have a full YouTube thumbnail generator here soon. So right now, it's squishing the images, so I'm trying to make it so it doesn't do that anymore. I don't think we're very far away, actually. I feel like we're pretty close. And so, yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, just go to lightschool.com. We have tutorials on all this stuff. All right, now I want you to, all right, make 6 more and follow the rules I gave you. And then, so basically, it's close, and I think we're almost there. And I've probably been at this for like an hour. So Claude Code's definitely coming along. And it's doing what it does. It's doing what it does. Trying to keep an eye on all the chats. We're live on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitch. So I'm just seeing where I get the most engagement right now. So yeah, let's just see what we can do with this thing, because I think it feels like it's close. I keep saying that, but it feels like it's close. Okay, so now it's making 6 more. Probably going to use the same assets of what it just did. Okay, it's doing some over there and some over here. I want it to not squish my body. It's basically the new goal. With this stuff, you just got to kind of be slow with it, and patience. Like, patience is everything with AI. Is like making sure that you can, just be patient with stuff. It's just like grit and patience and not getting frustrated, because you're teaching an AI to do this. And once you figure it out, the AI can just do it every time for you, which is pretty crazy. So right now it's doing all 6 at one time. By the way, this is new. When I started with this tool, okay, so it's following the rules. It's putting me in. The images are kind of too tall relative to the build. Okay. It's definitely getting there. Yeah, it's definitely getting there. Probably makes the most sense. Yeah, I agree. It makes the most sense for me to put probably my dude up here so you guys can see what's going on the other side of the screen. There we go. Okay. Here we go. I wonder if I could also do a green screen this so you can see my full body. I think that would be a good upgrade. Let me also put on Keycaster so you guys can see it. You can see what I'm typing. It's pretty cool. And then click effects as well. So now you can see like where I'm clicking. Let's do one that's less annoying. I think I'm gonna do you, yeah. All right, so let's get back to the coding. So basically, all right, it's following the instructions, it's doing the thing. I really wanna make it so I never have to edit. That's gonna be important for this. Just make it so I don't need to edit it ever. Keycaster is now annoying because I'm not using the keyboard. Okay. I think this one kind of works. Wait. Okay. So I'm gonna give the feedback and be like, I am too small. And wait, let me just do this. All right, Keycaster's annoying. It's annoying me. Okay. So I'm gonna say I am too. What am I doing? Oh my god! All right, I'm too small in the images. For example, in Thumb V2, shocked pointing, the image is 800 by 900, but the image of me is actually much smaller. Can you make those images more proportional, like the size of them more proportional to me as a human, so the AI knows how to work with them better? The person in each one of the images inside of Nick's thumbnail should take up the full frame. Please. Thank you. I always say please to the AI. It's always a good idea. Okay. So we're going to give that feedback, and we're going to make it so I'm just proportional. Which I'm definitely not right now. So that's kind of annoying. I also think, I'm wondering if maybe LinkedIn has different thumbnail restrictions. I think it might. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, if anybody has any questions, throw it into chat. And we're going to keep this baby going. And it's okay. Okay. So let's see. Trying to just minimize human input as much as possible. Let's see. One thing I don't love about paper is that it keeps on putting things in random places. This one was actually the closest. It was the closest. I think like some human in the loop and actually editing myself, it might make sense for training. Because if I give it like one good template and it can use that one good template, then like we're chilling. But if it's not the case, then there we go. That's way better. But now it's cutting me off. Damn it. You can kind of see the white around my hair. I like this one, actually. This one's cool. But I'm kind of cut off. I guess I could do something like this. If I move, well, let me just let the AI drive this thing. It's just, you basically, the outputs are only going to be as good as the inputs. So if you got high quality pictures of yourself, it looks like it's going to do a good job. But if you're asking it to edit, it's not bad, actually. It's not bad. It's quite good. This one's not bad, actually. I'm gonna let it finish up, and we're going to make it so all my YouTube thumbnails are automatically generated. So the vision is take any video that I upload, extract the text, go grab the logos of the tools I'm using, take the pictures of me, and then output different variations of YouTube thumbnails without human interaction. That's sort of what we're going for. Okay, so this one looks good. I'm gonna kind of delete the other ones because I don't want it to grab these anymore. So I'm gonna delete you guys, and then we're gonna, all right, delete. Oh, I didn't delete the board though. Okay. It's a new tool, so. All right. I guess, fuck it. I'm not gonna mess with it. You can stay. All right. This is the one I like the best here. Let me just maybe the move is to maybe the move is to give it the training data, as in maybe make it so I give it a good example first, and then it does the thing. This is crazy, bro. This shit's crazy. The fact that AI can just do this stuff now is wild to me. It's interesting because you'd think the human moving part would be easier than the AI moving part. Let's just change this as well. AI builds your designs. It's not bad. It's kind of funky looking. It's let's do this. I think I'm just gonna. So basically, what you want to do is you want to give it rules. So right now, like, it just doesn't have good rules to go by. Let's see here. Light School. This is my brand, right? I keep on telling it to use Gilroy font, but it really doesn't want to. So here's what I'm going to try and do. I want to give it a good example now, and then maybe it can copy that example. So maybe the move is to just go to YouTube and grab some thumbnails that I do like. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go here. What are some good? So this is nice. This is a good example. Let's just do this, right? There we go. Like this is solid. So I like that one. I'm deleting this video in 4 hours. Hank. I like Hank. He's dope. I don't like that one. I'm just looking for like good maybe AI tutorial. Like look at my niche. AI basics. This one's not bad. This one's not bad. I want to make it so that the training data doesn't have the bottom bar either. Is he adding this? Like, is he? Oh, he's actually putting this in the bottom bar. Like, this is something that's in the thumbnail. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, I like this one. This one's dope. Boom. This one's very dope. I like this one. Learn AI in 15 minutes. Claude Code full course. Okay. Let's see. No coding skills. Master co-work. So yeah, it's like usually like it's a human face with some sort of element and basically 1 to 3 words. That seems to be the meta that people do in order to create thumbnails. And 4 words doesn't really seem to work. This one's not bad. He's just got high quality stuff. This doesn't work. Yeah, I think it's got to be max 3 words. It's got to be max 3 words based on what I'm seeing. It's just like it's just the ones that I like. This is hot. He weirdly has a similar name to me. Nick Sarafa. I'm Nick Sarafa. 2-letter difference, which is crazy. So yeah, face. And then it's just too loud. Like the thumbnails are a little bit loud. This is hot. It's mostly hype. It's cute. Some of these. Shocking, pointing. Yeah, I don't like the vibe. It's just a little bit too loud. I think it's better just to have like less. Less is more when it comes to the vibe that I like. This is nice. Actually, I don't mind this one at all. AI tools for smart business. We're gonna grab that. This one I like. It's 2 words. And it's there. It's easy to see. Learn or lose. Nah. This made me 23K. I don't like calling out money. In I just think under 3 words. Claude Code tutorial. I don't know. I'm just gonna grab ones I like. The old way, new way. This one's cool. I like this one. This one's dope. I'm just going to be like, okay. So we're just going to like grab Nano Banana. All right. Let's see what we can do here. So insane AI designer. See, this is good. So like 1 to 3 words, face. I mean, that's Hermosi. Hermosi's Hermosi, bro. Everyone knows his face. So he's just got the clout. Okay. I think we have a couple of training ones. All right. So I'm going to say, make a folder that has thumbnails I like. And I'm going to drop in there thumbnails that I like. And for each thumbnail, I want you to describe it in depth and save the descriptions as instructions to use the elements that you have in order to create more YouTube thumbnails in those styles. All right, let's do this. Boom. And so now I'm going to go in. I'm going to drop in the thumbnails that I like from YouTube, and I'm going to use that as training data to create new thumbnails. But you almost have to differentiate between the training data that you are using, and you have to differentiate that from the actual things you are doing. It's super important. Because if you don't have good instructions, you're going to be in a bad spot. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have my screenshots. Here's all the ones that I like. All right. I'll just say to it, add these. Yep. Okay. So now, because the AI is smart, it's going to know to put those inside of the thumbnails inspiration folder. And then from there, it's going to create written descriptions of each and every one, which is cool. And we will then have a way to basically just have better descriptions. Like you just got to give good instruction to the AI. Okay, so it analyzed them. You say thumbnails and save descriptions, reusable text instructions. Cool. Okay. Okay. So now let's run it again. All right. Okay. No, it's still creating the descriptions, which is cool. But the next step is going to be pushing this in a way that we have good. Just some good feedback, like some good thumbnails that are being created. So it's pretty much the goal. Not much to it, at least from our end, but the super compute, it's going to be, cool. So it's writing the descriptions inside the styles.md. Inspiration, styles.md. Okay. I'm also going to say, combine this with your other file, with the descriptions of the YouTube thumbnails I want to create, and create just one master thumbnail generation file that you can reference inside the thumbnails directory and has the master instructions to create. Okay. So one thing that the AI will do sometimes is that it's going to take some of the stuff that instructions that it writes, it puts it in different places, and then it forgets. And it also makes it difficult for me to see the instructions that it's actually using. Huge pain in the ass. So if we can make it much easier that way, I think, we're going to be in a much better spot here. So let's see what it can do. Combine this. Now I built both files. I'm going to merge them into one master file. And yeah, you got to kind of make it so that the AI can remember what it's doing. And this is funny as hell, though. It's not bad. I think it's interesting, though. I can't. Oh, because it's like written in code. Is that why? Yeah, because this is like. Okay, so this is like HTML. Okay, I get it. So when I move stuff, it's going to go into the HTML elements. Okay, I get that. But this one here, this one's free flow versus this one's HTML. Interesting. Okay. Because like, where's this dude? Man with surprise expression. That's me. So content, and then under content is these things. Okay, so content is the thing that needs to be changed. All right, I get it. But I mean, this one's just like an image, but it doesn't have any of the annoying restrictions that the other one does, right? So I think it would be cool to remove those restrictions, make it easier to drag and drop. Maybe that's another thing I do. Because these things don't have to be coded in HTML. So I'm just going to say to it, add to your instructions not to code these thumbnails in HTML so it can easily drag and drop and edit, please. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. This is falling behind for sure. For sure. Okay. This is going to be cool. Dimensions, safe zones, brand identity, Nix expressions to use, CSS snippets to paste, content type, pattern, quick style reference, pre-published checklist. All sounds like good things. I'm not sure if this is actually going to do anything, but let's see. Non-negotiable rules. All right. I wonder if I can reorganize these so I can see them easier. Because right now they're like all over the place, I think. Okay. So let's go back to command line. And this is a bit big. It would be nice if they had better snapping features on Mac. There probably are some. I just probably don't know how to use them, which is fine. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Run the generator again and create new thumbnails in the style, please. All right. Boom. So now it's going to run the generator another time and with the new rules, and we're going to see what it can create. Okay? All right. So over here, you know that it's working. There we go. There we go. So let's just see what it does. Okay, we got five new ones incoming here. Very cool. So we got 5 new ones incoming, and we're going to just let it roll. Thumbnails. Automate my content, Claude. Okay, the logo's a little bit small. Not loving it so far. I mean, is it the move to call? Oh, that's not bad. Oh shit, that's not bad. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I don't mind it. I don't hate it. Let's see what happens. And this was kind of funny. I mean, a lot of the thumbnails won't like include logos either. I feel like the stream is like behind as well. It's just slow. Okay. All right, this is probably the closest one here. Wait. You know what's interesting is when I do Command Z, it kind of doesn't do what I want it to do. Like normally if you do Command Z, it like it goes back in time. But it's not doing that, which is quite annoying. Or maybe it's because the this is not bad. This is not bad. Okay. 10 times faster. What 10 times faster? I think that's another thing I'm gonna add to the instructions. I'm gonna say to it, always know what the desired outcome of the video is and use the words to explain the outcome. You only get 3 words max for each YouTube thumbnail. Add that to instructions. All right. Yeah, I'm just continually feeding it instructions and then modifying it until the point where it just knows what it's doing. So I'm gonna let that run, and I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. One sec. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so let's get some thumbnails made. Okay. Paper. It's doing it 10 times faster. Actually, the 10 times faster one I don't mind. I think we should just man with curly hair surprise. It's just too blurry. I'm just gonna delete that one. I don't love that one. Delete. All right, wait, watch this. Delete man with curly hair surprise image from the pictures of me. It's too blurry. All right. Okay. Let's do that. Move that one. I just don't want it in the project anymore. It's not good. We need high quality images to make high quality thumbnails. So, we don't want that stuff. All right, we're gonna get some food as well. So I don't got time to cook. I'm cooking with Claude, which is way more important in 2025 than cooking food. Okay. Instant comprehension required. That sounds good. I think design 10 times faster is, so that would be a good thumbnail, a good call to action is like design 10 times faster. I like that one. I think that's dope. And I think we're almost there, to be honest. I kind of prefer the dark background though. I kind of prefer the dark background, the BG background. All right. Restream, go back. I think if it add, okay, P5 secret hack. Okay, what if we did like this? I mean, it's not so cool when I'm the one driving it though. Kind of screwed up my surprise pick. Let me back that up. I should have saved that progress. All right. Can you fix the images? Some of them of me, some of them are now cut off, and they used to not be that way. All right. Let's see what it can do. I mean, it's YouTube thumbnails are a bit more complex because there's actually a lot more things to be factored in. Like when you're using, you're doing like LinkedIn carousels or like Instagram carousels, it's normally just words versus like with YouTube images, you have logos, you have text, you have a lot of different things. So it might just be a little bit more difficult for the AI to be able to do consistently without really good instructions. So we're going to, I'm giving it logos, I'm giving it faces, I'm giving it text, I'm giving it design outlines from other creators as well. And so combining all these things into one cohesive system that works consistently is going to be, it's a bit of a challenge. So it's more computationally complex than like a lot of other things. So you can do it. I believe in you, AI. I believe in us and the things that we can do. I think we're gonna do this. Okay. Nice. All right. Preserve full body. The fix was expanding the canvas. Copying the content. Okay. Run the automation again. I like P5 secret hack the best with the new rules and say 10x faster design. Boom. This should get us there. Obviously, I could have gotten there way faster if I had just opened up Canva, but that's not the point. The point is to make it so that the AI pipeline knows exactly what to do and exactly how to handle my my things, my thumbnails. So I don't think we're that far away. It just seems like it just needs to do it. Okay, there we go. P5, 10 times faster design. Let's see what it can do. AI. Do. Hell yeah. This is AI auto designing. AI auto design. 10 times fast. Ooh, it's looking good so far. 10 times faster design. Oh, damn. I think it's got it. There we go. This is crazy. I think it did it. I think it did it. Let's go. Cool. This is dope. I mean, the only issue is my my hand's a little cut off, but it's okay. Let me go to this. All right. Where is this? P5. There we go. Man with surprised face. I think it's pretty close though. I mean, I'm cut off, but so cool. I actually kind of love it. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think we need to do that. Okay, or maybe even that. 10 times faster design, and then I'm going to copy, paste this dude in here. That's pretty good. I think this is it. Okay. So now I need to figure out how to export it. I think it's fine for now. So I'm just going to say to my AI, can you export P5 10 times faster design? Hold on. P5 10 times faster design into a thumbnail and create a folder called exports inside this folder of this project. So I know exactly which ones are exported, and also make it high quality. Thanks. So now the question is, do I want to automate this process even further and then upload them to YouTube to the correct video? It's doable, but I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna. I just don't know if it's necessary at this point. I think this is far enough, and I like it. I mean, honestly, I think it looks great. I mean, I guess this code could be bigger, but it has a terminal, so I think it's all right. Let's just see what it's doing. It's not a real image. Okay. Yeah, exporting. I didn't think this would be an issue. I mean, because frankly, at the end of the day, I could just take a screenshot and not have an issue. But let's see. I'll use MCP service tool to the image and pipe. Even simpler. I can use Paper screenshot. Paper doesn't have an export ability? I find that crazy. There's no way. If I just do paste, oh, maybe it doesn't. Copy as tailwind. Huh. That is weird. That is weird that it wouldn't have export ability baked in. But let's just see how it does it. Is it tailwind? Oh, man. That's interesting. So it's going to open up an external browser and then try it out. But it's going to render it as HTML. That's so weird. Why wouldn't you be able to save it as an image? You can allow that. That's fine. You can do that. My term can do that, yeah. So the solution it's coming up with is to modify, my God, dude. I think my computer's it's okay. Just do it. 10x faster. I mean, it's kind of an annoying solution because it's not what it looks like. I mean, it got there. Can't see the back of my hand. No, this is not okay. No. Maybe the move is to just make it big. I mean, this is not ideal either. Let me just screenshot it and then let's do it. Let's upload it. YouTube Studio. Let's get this first one live. So if I go to my studio, let's just follow through this. Dashboard content. use Claude Code, edit title and description. I can't edit the thumbnail. Details. Upload file. Okay, screenshots. There we go. Open. It's not really high quality though. At least it doesn't look high quality. Yeah, yeah, looks good.
Okay, I wanted to make a top left and just restart it here.
All right. It's good. I mean, we're getting somewhere. I think I just need to be more deliberate with the design of my stuff. And it's cool though. I mean, it's kind of getting there for sure. Kind of gives a technical vibe. Let's see. All right. So, all right. So, mobile workshops. Oh dear. Git branch -a. Let's see. Okay. Git check. I'm basically what I'm doing now is just saving the progress. Git checkout -b. I'm going to say it's going to be YouTube thumbnail generator, git push -u origin, YouTube thumbnail generator. Okay, git add -a, git commit, YouTube thumbnail generator init. I'm going to push it. So basically, this is going to save all the code to the repository, and I think that's a good start. I mean, it definitely got somewhere. It's not bad. It's not bad. Like I'm kind of happy with it. I'm just gonna let my group know. Let's see. AI made this, and I automated YouTube thumbnail creation. LOL. Yeah, it's good. Like, it's a good start. I'm happy with the progress. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna end the stream. I think that was good for the first day, and I hope you're having a great day. And I hope you have fun playing with these things. You know, it's like the power of this is pretty incredible. Once you understand like how to use Claude Code as well as paper, there's so much you can do with it. And so, you know, if you want to learn about this, go to lightschool.com. We have like a couple dozen tutorials, step-by-step instructions so that you can automate your own workflows. You can make your own automations. You can build anything you want. Like you're living in the future. And I think this is just the coolest time to be alive. Like AI is just moving at the speed of light. And yeah, like follow along if you want to see more. I'm going to do a lot more of this and just, you know, basically open source all the things I'm doing with AI. So if you want to follow along or if you want to learn yourself, go to lightschool.com. We have a group. It's called Builders. If you're in Lisbon or London, join a workshop.